I need money.
Alright, chat. Alright. Today we got top disturbing uninvited visitors for the month of April. Got on doorbell camera. Guess I'm late. Hood Watch News. Full video will be linked in the description along with link to stream at Trappers Anonymous on Twitch, where this was filmed live, and I'm live daily. But yeah, we're gonna get straight into this, see how this is going. Sorry about the dogs in the bar, in the back. Neighborhood be tripping sometimes. You just took the blanket and left. It's crazy. Crazy work. Keep it 100. Y'all letting her in, chat? Y'all some gooners. I know you're letting her in. The stick out?
This lady to the right is getting carjacked. Thankfully, she isn't hurt, and the car stopped working.
So they didn't even get the car stalled? That's that one time that you're just like actually happy that only you know how to start your car, and you got a car that's like a little fucked up, because yeah, they didn't get away with it. Not today, bud. First a felony for nothing, the car just rolling back. At least put it in park if you ain't gonna take it. What a waste of a felony. People that do this are always amazing to me, because like,
get the fuck out of my fucking truck, bitch.
I'd be so scared to just walk up like that.
Don't forget those other delivery methods, just in case. Some people said they're not able to go outside. Have some neighbors look out for you, if you trust them.
Excuse me, bring that back. The package. Okay.
Get the pistol. We're not, oh, you're in New York. I don't think you could have the pull on you like that in New York, can you? Right?
Yes, it is.
Can I help you?
My bad.
Get out of our yard.
Not right now, Nick. That's crazy.
Check this lady out.
What?
Yes, maybe to get some revenge.
Dude,
But why do it on?
they got a knife. A knife is crazy. Oh, popping tires. Wild. It's a scorned lover. An ex.
She ended up slashing all 4 tires.
That shit loud. Taking some lights.
No, mami, only watch it, sorry. Sí, sorry, mami, más por lo siento. Don't touch.
What the hell? People just be having audacity. Dude, what do you even... You gotta fight. People gotta get punched for that kind of activity, man. What's the point of trying to decorate? People gonna say... They just breaking the window, or they gonna try to break in? But got a stone in his hand. They don't look suspicious.
So look, y'all wanna break? Look, y'all wanna break one of these? Or one of these? So it's empty. So it's G's. Come on, right here, so we can see this. So there's shit in there. Yeah, we good. Y'all wanna break? Y'all wanna break the door glass or the side glass? Come on, stop being fucking hard, nigga. I'm asking a question, huh? You are like niggas not. It don't matter to me. What do you fucking do, nigga? Do what you fucking do. I'm asking y'all boys. Bro, this nigga.
No. Guy's going around asking people for bolt cutters at 4 o'clock in the morning. Wonder what he got going on.
Hello?
I have a quick question for you guys. Do you have any I have a question. Do you guys have any bolt cutters or anything that could cut through metal? Cause my chain.
It's
got
the no, I don't. We're in bed. No, I don't.
Yes, sir. Have a blessed day.
This guy seems to have come with his tools ready.
That wasn't too. Don't trust people in the middle of the night. That was crazy to ask for in the middle of the night, like somebody cuffed up or something. But the way he just said, have a blessed night and everything, and accepted it and wasn't agitated, either he's a S tier criminal and kept his composure, or he's not a criminal, he's just a good dude. Because that was kind of like a rational, I just genuinely needed help in this moment and I know it looks crazy response. Like, yeah, you're right, I'll leave. Usually people that are up to no good usually trip out when you foil their plans, you know what I mean? Pickaxing someone's door is crazy work. Unk is tripping. I ain't even Unk no more, that's OG. Buddy nips is cold or something? Got his nips covered. Don't worry about covering his face. Just lit tits. Don't want his tits. Bro just took they pad to sleep on? I ain't even mad at it. You gotta sleep.
The man in the
This
previous
is
video could have used this guy's help.
It's great. Great quality ring camera footage. What the hell? High def. We got caught in 1080p.
Hey man, me and my girl bought the wrong side mattress, man. We got a king side mattress, just a full side mattress. Anybody need a full side mattress, goddamn. We letting this bitch go for anything. You give me $40 for this motherfucker. I'm gonna take it to the jump. So shit. Yeah, what is it?
He trying to sell a deal. Trying to get the bed off before he throw it away. I ain't mad at it. He trying to be neighborly. He just off the pet in a perk. Is this the same dude? Looking for the bolt
I
cutters?
can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Excuse me, I need some cutters, like a power tool, so I can cut the chains off of my trailer. Do you think you could provide some as of right now? If not, it's okay and have a blessed day. I just need to get to work in the morning at 6 and yeah.
I know I've shown plenty videos of these kids scrambling through the neighborhood.
He's really trying.
Cars. This is one
If he's on no. Oh. They slammed that boy. What?
These kids scrambling through the neighborhood checking cars. This is one of them getting caught.
I know that bent up that fender, bruh. Dude's truck had nothing to do with it. Bro who live here gonna wake up heated. Even if you did nothing, you're damn near cooked because you were there, right? In the group. They got one out of like what, 6 of them?
Try to get
That's
to
not good
packages
stats.
first before these people do.
What is a haircut?
These people do.
What is that? What is that? That's crazy. She's balding on the sides right there, but she got sideburns still.
Here you go. Oh, yes, there you go. Oh, thank you.
I'd fire on her just for the haircut.
Have a great day. You too.
She played that off like a champ. Real tweak. She was a real tweaker. But he gotta let the hair go.
Guys, I heard somebody screaming. You guys are good? I heard somebody screaming. You guys good? I heard somebody screaming. You guys good? Yeah, we're good. For sure.
W cover it. 2 back-to-back W cover-ups. I ain't gonna lie, these tweakers are learning. Wonder if she thinks she off camera. Definitely on camera still.
Hey, don't touch that package. Let me call you back home.
This low speed getaway.
Who you looking for?
I wonder if she got her package right. You got pull on you? Don't hold your hand in your pocket like that.
What you guys think about this one? He has his hands in his pocket the whole time.
Don't get the fuck away.
Sure.
You trust that shit?
You looking for what?
Can I get a Band-Aid?
A Band-Aid?
Yeah.
Are you serious? You asking for a Band-Aid for people you don't even know?
Yeah.
Dude, you need to get a better professional. Go to your parents. Nobody gonna give you no Band-Aid. Where are you from? Who are you?
No, my friend Band-Aid.
I don't know you.
I feel like he did right. You never know these people's intentions. Got to be safe out here.
Yeah, I don't want to have to shoot a little kid, man, at my door. I hope he didn't have pull trying to go to some random grown-up's house. Like, bro, you gonna get smoked.
Check this guy out.
He was not ready for that.
Fence to try to get this bike.
You know, kill someone on accident, being scared, being a kid. I know, bro saw the camera.
Hey, we're calling the cops. You better leave that bike alone. Get the out of my backyard, dude.
Bro said sorry.
Qué pinche sorry, dude. Vete a la chingada, güey.
He would have just saw the camera and he get stopped all that.
If you're ordering groceries for delivery, please try to be home or get them inside as soon as possible.
Bro came up on a whole month worth. Crazy. Like getting a random loot box if you steal someone's grocery.
Y'all grab the pole.
Bro look drunk. On drugs.
How can I help you? Hello?
Jumping off the deck? What the hell?
They're gonna try to steal on the house. What? Look. Look, he ran away. It's a guy.
Where was he? Was he in the house?
Yes, he was inside the porch and he jumped the fence.
Check this lady out. She
Strange
steals this
behavior.
package.
Doctor
and
behavior.
found some instant karma.
Who are you?
W run off. She gonna fall. She gonna fall. Oh. Coffee over with.
That's what you get.
Embarrassing. She still got the pack though. She didn't fumble.
My packages off the porch. The lady just stole my packages off the porch. And then
What an interesting suburban setup. What's up with these stone throwing thieves? Don't like this setup, fake grass and all that. I need real grass.
He's out in his road messing with people's cameras.
Doesn't like the surveillance state.
Excuse me. What are you doing?
It's New York. No one's allowed to shoot anybody on their property, so people feel like they're entitled to be on their property. Because your property's their property, pussy. That's why. How about that, New Yorker? Yeah, I'm from California, so it's the same for me. So don't take it personally. I live the same way. Someone come right up to my front door and threaten me. And I just gotta be like, please leave. Fake DoorDash scheme. The walk up and like instant walk off immediately is kind of like, there's a lot of that. It's like they see the ring or what?
Oh, okay.
Or they notice someone's inside. Maybe they notice someone's inside.
Prior to this guy was trying to open up the door. Please don't leave your doors unlocked.
If you don't get off our porch, we will call the cops. My heart is racing.
Hi. I am a Christian missionary called to pray.
That smile right there tells me everything I need to know. This motherfucker is a lunatic. This is a psychopath. You shouldn't. He might even be a vampire, bro. You shouldn't even open the door to bro.
I was gonna see if you guys
In the eyes.
so I could get a motel room tonight.
Oh, we don't carry cash.
A motel room.
A lot of it's our debit cards.
Yeah, that's okay. I just have to get a room tonight. And,
Trying to get invited in. He's a vampire.
Ben.
The video ends before he can come back and give an answer. But let me know down in the comments, what would you do in this situation?
Macca. Bitch. One of those. Get off my front porch, vampire. Grip is crazy. She needs God. She needs help. Medication.
Another thing I want to know, would
Not
you
your
rather have
house.
this lady at your door or these next couple guests?
Bro, I be tripping. I'm not gonna lie. I'm shooting those, so I can't be a Florida boy. I'm not funking with no dinosaurs at my door. Not dealing with it.
Good afternoon. Are you guys home? I live down the block to the left.
I walking my dog right now. I'm not halfway home.
Okay.
So.
Got it. I'll pass by later.
Okay.
Yo, let me in.
He's lost. Gotta be.
What are you talking about? Just let me in the house. Please.
We're coming around the corner. We're coming around the corner right now. You better drop that shit. Put that. We're coming around the corner right now.
Get off our porch.
Audacity of people is just amazing. Just amazing.
One thing to take from these videos is to be careful what you leave outside. These thieves are
Taking a stroller?
their lives easier, I guess.
You're evil. You can't take the baby on walks no more?
Can you use the phone, please? Please. Can you come in? I'm not gonna come in the house. Can you come in?
We're gonna get in trouble. We live in a transitional house where our
I was saying, could you call her? I need to use the phone.
I'm sorry.
Please try to get your packages in as soon as possible, especially if you happen to be home.
She was struggling to get that. Or she's trying to play it off like she fell down and then just and then they got up out of there. W play off if that's the case. Bro was home. Grab your shit. Now you got your kid looking dumbfounded. Kid didn't even grab a thing. He's confused. He's like, yeah, I'm going inside. Embarrassing. Wearing a ski mask to go steal some boxes and shit like that is kind of crazy. And just dressing as a criminal to do porch piracy. But there's cameras, so you have to. It's like, you're obvious.
Yeah. What are you doing there? Get out.
If we're gonna leave bikes and scooters outside, let's try to lock them up at least, just to prevent this.
We just said yoink. It's mine now.
Also, please don't forget to keep those doors locked. These thieves.
The narrator there before it clipped off, I don't know why it clipped off, maybe because of what he was saying. Didn't make sense, but he said make sure to keep the doors locked. But that dude ran up with one of those little devices where he was able to unlock that beamer. You just seen it unlock. It went beep beep. Bro unlocked it. He had one of the little key readers. Can't stop that. At that point, you're just a victim.
That's a rare occurrence that they actually leave it.
Memphis. Chilling on someone's porch? Ringing doors. Alright.
What's up? Nah, you got the wrong house. You can roll.
I think she needs some help.
Let me know what you guys think about this one. A stranger comes to this house and starts cutting the hedges. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
Helpful, if you're not a bitch about it.
This is pretty strange. He even steps back to admire his work.
Maybe that's damn near W neighbor.
It's funny.
W neighbor damn near, I ain't gonna lie.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. I said, are you delivering a package? Excuse me, are you delivering a package? Miss, I can't see that. I'm sorry?
No Spanish, no English.
Oh, you need somebody to sign it? Just leave the package behind the chair.
Interesting. She said, yeah, I definitely delivered it. They took that shit.
Because I have no idea what you're saying.
If
I don't know how
groceries
long that could work.
try to be home to retrieve them, just in case something like this happens. Even other people will come and take your groceries. People are getting real desperate out here.
Doing?
Okay.
Put my package back. Put my package down. Put my package down.
You could yell all you want. She's leaving with him. Boy, faded. Zombie walking. Wrong. He probably genuinely thinks this is house or something. What? Oh, take a nap here. Bro, good? Shit. Just destructive. I hurt my eyes. You know, kick it. He is a mouth breather. You seen that whole time? In his hand.
Please move from the RV.
That's an RV.
Don't stop by the RV. Thank you.
Crazy.
Please don't forget to keep those doors locked. You never know anybody's intentions, even if it is a mistake.
Can I help you?
Hi, is this Johan's house?
You're at the wrong address.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you. Have a good day.
My bad. Yeah, my bad.
Maybe I got duplicate Addy. Maybe it's not something crazy. We got those in my city. A couple of them.
Hello.
Complete different area, same address. You'll only know off zip code for real. It's crazy. Just taking car mirrors.
Hey, do you know where is the train?
Yeah, it's down there. So what you
train?
it's down there. You just keep going down. You said what? A lot. A lot. You just gotta keep walking down.
Not sure what's going on in Brooklyn, but it looks like people are after your side view mirrors.
A lot of people do be losing their side view mirrors in the cut up situations. You know, everyone's trying to surf around. They be bapping the load. That's one way to get it, I guess. You're just gonna break that bitch off. Can you even use it at that point?
Check this guy out. He's sneaking and geeking trying to get a package.
We got his pants down. Tweaking. Crazy. That's crazy. But that was top disturbing uninvited visitors for the month of April, caught on doorbell camera by Hoodwatch News. Go ahead and subscribe, follow, and look into that. The full video link will be in the description, along with the link to stream at Travis Anonymous, where this was filmed live, where we are also live daily. But if you're new here, drop that follow and hit that bell. If you're watching this on YouTube, do that as well. Always, consistency is key. I'm gonna be here for y'all. Hopefully you're there for me, because I'm a bitch and it's easy to see.
I need money.